In order to make a bookmark in Chrome, the browser, you must first of all search for the web page, access the web page, and be on the actual web page that you wish to bookmark. So with that, let's find a few news websites. So we're going to click the home button to go home. So for example, we'll go to RTE News. We've carried out a search. We click the hyperlink for RTE News, and we're now on the news hyperlink of RTE. You can also tell that by the URL, the Uniform Resource Locator, rte.ie/news. So we know that we're on the news part of RTE website, and this is the web page we wish to bookmark, so we can quickly return to it at a later stage anytime we want to. It's quite simple. All you have to do is click the star icon in the address search bar, and it clearly states bookmark this tab. So we're going to click on bookmark. Bookmark added to the folder My Bookmarks. We can change the name here if we want to do. We will do that. So I'm going to simply change the name by clicking into it, deleting and backspacing, and simply name the bookmark RTE News. This isn't required, but it just makes organizing your bookmarks much easier. And then click on Done. In the next video, we'll show you how to use bookmarks that you have stored in your browser. Let's find another news related web page that might interest us. So again, to bookmark a page, you must go to the web page first before you can bookmark it. So for example, we're going to take a look now maybe for Sky News. So again, we're going to go the home button, which takes us to the Google search engine in the Chrome browser, and we'll type in Sky News and maybe Ireland, and then press enter on the keyboard. This returns the hyperlinks, and we can see here this is skynews.com, topic Republic of Ireland. So Sky News' version of the Republic of Ireland news. We'll click that hyperlink, and we're on the Republic of Ireland section of the Sky News website. So again, to bookmark this web page, it's quite straightforward. You simply press the star icon in the address bar just once. It turns blue to identify this is one of your bookmarks. If it wasn't, it would be clear, no color inside. Again, it's optional to give the bookmark a name, but it's wise to do so. So I'm going to erase all the content and type in Sky News Ireland. And then click on the Done button. That means now that this bookmark is in My Bookmarks. In this final example, we're going to locate the web page from the independent news for the Kerry region. In other words, the Kerry man. So again, just recap. Before we can store a web page via a bookmark using our browser, Chrome, we must go to the web page we wish to bookmark first. It's essential. So again, we'll press the home button, and in Google, the search engine, we'll carry out a search for the Kerryman. And sure enough, we have an URL, independent.ie/regionals. The hyperlink is for the Kerryman newspaper, and the introduction informs us news from Kerry with Kerryman, local Munster sport, entertainment, business, lifestyle, etc. So we're going to click the hyperlink, Kerry news from the Kerryman newspaper. If we don't do that, we can't bookmark that page. We must go to the page first to bookmark the page. So one click takes us to the Kerryman section of the Independent. How do we know? Clearly the logo Kerryman is here, and we're on the independent /regionals/Kerry. The uniform resource locator, the URL, indicates this is exactly the page that we're on. Obviously the content is not free, you must subscribe and pay, so these are only news headlines. But however, we want to bookmark the page. So with that, we'll take our mouse pointer and click on the bookmark icon once. This brings up the bookmark manager, and again, you don't have to change the name, but it's wise to do so. And the final step of storing a bookmark is to click on Done. That's bookmarking. In the next video, we'll take a look at how to use a bookmark.